So hello everyone. Today we are in this session we are going to discuss some previous year question from the chapter Digestion and Absorption. So without wasting the time, let's move to first question. So first question is choose the correct enzyme substrate pair. So among the given four options, we have to opt or we have to choose the correct pair of substrate and enzyme, that is the enzyme and the substrate on which it acts. So first option is lipase, and first option is lipase and carbohydrate. Here the enzyme is lipase and carbohydrate is the substrate. So this is not the correct option because lipase, it is an enzyme which acts on the lipids or fats, not on the carbohydrates. So second option is maltase. There is a spelling mistake and it is maltase. Maltase and lactose. No, maltase comes under disaccharidases, but it do not act on lactose. So this option is also incorrect. Now C option, rennin and casein. Yes, this is the correct option. Rennin is the enzyme which is secreted in the gastric juice of the infants or the small children, very young children, and casein is the protein present in the milk. So this is the correct option. And let's check the fourth option, amylase and protein. No, this is also incorrect. Amylase acts on starch, not on the protein. So correct option for the first question is C, that is rennin and casein. So let's mark it. Okay. Now the second question. The following are absent in case of upper 1/3 part of the esophagus except. Now the question is saying that among the four options given to us, the three options or the three things are absent in the upper 1/3 part of the esophagus and one is present. So we have to choose that thing which is present in upper 1/3 part of the esophagus. तो वो बता रहा है कि इन चार ऑप्शंस में से तीन चीज़ें तो ऐसी हैं जो कि अपर 1/3 पार्ट ईसोफेगस के अपर 1/3 पार्ट में एब्सेंट होती है, लेकिन एक चीज़ प्रेजेंट होती है, वो हमें चूज़ करनी है. सो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज़ विसरल पेरिटोनियम और वी कैन से सेरोसा. सो no, it is not present in the upper 1/3 part of the esophagus, or we can say the upper 1/3 part of the esophagus is devoid of visceral peritoneum. तो esophagus के upper 1/3 part में visceral peritoneum नहीं होती है, या फिर हम कह सकते हैं कि सेरोसा नहीं होती है. Mesenteric plexus, no, it is also not present in the upper 1/3 part of the esophagus. What is mesenteric plexus? Actually it is the network of nerves, and this is present in the gastrointestinal tract but not in the esophagus. And C option is skeletal muscles, and fourth option is digestive glands. So digestive glands are also not present, they are also absent because no digestion takes place inside the esophagus. So answer will be skeletal muscles. Yes, skeletal muscles are present in the upper 1/3 part of the esophagus. तो esophagus के upper 1/3 part में इन सभी options में से skeletal muscles present होती हैं, ना ही तो visceral peritoneum present होती है जिसको हम सेरोसा भी बोलते हैं, और ना ही mesenteric plexus present होते हैं, और ना ही digestive glands present होते हैं. So answer will be C, that is skeletal muscles. Now the next question, sphincter of Oddi guards. So sphincter of Oddi guards what? So first option is hepatopancreatic duct. Okay, Yes, actually it is the correct option only. And let's check B option. Common bile duct, no. Pancreatic duct, no. Cystic duct, no. So here correct answer will be option A. And but you must be aware about all these ducts, like what is hepatopancreatic duct. So it is the common duct which pours the secretion of the liver and pancreas into the duodenum. This hepatopancreatic duct opens into the duodenum, and opening of the means this sphincter of Oddi is present at the opening of hepatopancreatic duct. And what is common bile duct? Common bile duct is formed where the cystic duct and bile duct are fused. And pancreatic duct, we know the duct which comes from the pancreas, and cystic duct is the duct of gallbladder which comes from gallbladder. Okay, so correct option for this will be first option only. Now the next question. One of the constituents of the pancreatic juice while poured into the duodenum in humans is, first is trypsin. No, it is the active form of the trypsinogen, but trypsin is secreted from the pancreas in inactive form. And what is the inactive form of trypsin? Trypsinogen. So correct answer will be C option. And why not enterokinase? Because enterokinase is not secreted from the pancreas, it is secreted from the intestine, intestinal mucosa. And fourth option is chymotrypsin. It is also not the correct option. So now let's move to the next question. What will happen if the secretion of the parietal cells of gastric glands is blocked with an inhibitor? Okay, तो क्या होगा अगर गैस्ट्रिक ग्लैंड्स के जो पैराइटल सेल्स होते हैं वो किसी इनहिबिटर के द्वारा ब्लॉक हो जाएं? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, टू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन वी मस्ट नो what is the function of parietal cells, or what role do the parietal cells plays. So parietal cells secretes, what they secretes? They secretes HCl. So answer will be in context to the HCl. So let's see the options. First option is enterokinase will not be sorry enterokinase will not be released from the duodenal mucosa. So trypsinogen is not converted into trypsin. No, there is no link between the parietal cells and the enterokinase. So this is not the correct option. Let's check the second option. Gastric juice will be deficient in chymotrypsin. No. First thing, chymotrypsin is not a part of, or it is not the constituent of gastric juice. And second thing, okay, let's check the C option. In the absence of HCl secretion, inactive pepsinogen is not converted into active enzyme pepsin. Yes, this is the correct option, because if the parietal cells are blocked by inhibitors, then there will not be any secretion of HCl, and functions of the HCl will be hampered. So जो HCl के जो functions होते हैं उनमें बाधा आ जाएगी. So ये C option क्या कह रहा है? In the absence of HCl secretion, inactive pepsinogen is not converted into the active enzyme pepsin. हाँ, तो HCl secrete नहीं होगा. अगर parietal cells ब्लॉक हो गए तो HCl secrete नहीं होगा. और HCl का एक फंक्शन होता है कि वो it converts the inactive enzyme pepsinogen into active enzyme pepsin. So it will not take place, that is the conversion of pepsinogen into pepsin will not take place. So answer will be C option. Let's check D option. Gastric juice will be deficient in pepsinogen. No, pepsinogen will keep on secreted, but there will be no secretion of HCl if that parietal cells are blocked. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Which of the following is correct pairing of site of action and substrate? Okay, so first option is mouth and starch. So starch, yes, starch is acted upon by salivary amylase in mouth also. Now let's check the second option, small intestine and protein. Actually proteins are converted into proteases and peptones in the stomach, and breakdown of these peptones and proteases takes place in the intestine, and proteins are not catalyzed in the small intestine. So B option is incorrect. Stomach and casein, yes, this protein is digested in the stomach. And fourth option is stomach and fat. Digestion of fat also takes place in the in the stomach also, but not only in the stomach. So correct answer is option C, stomach and casein. Let's check next question. If the liver is removed, the compound which is not absorbed by mucosa of intestine is. So first option is protein. No, there will not be any difficulty in the absorption of the protein in case the liver is removed, and similarly there will not be any difficulty in absorption of carbohydrate, but the absorption of fats is not possible without the liver, because the liver secretes bile. It secretes bile which helps in the emulsification of fat. ओके, इसको इमल्सिफाई करने में हेल्प करता है. एंड डी ऑप्शन इज लैक्टोज. नो, दिस इज ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी, जो कि माइसिल फॉर्मेशन बनाता है और उसको इमल्सिफाई करता है, वो करता है बाइल, एंड बाइल इज सिक्रेटेड फ्रॉम द लिवर. सो विदाउट लिवर फैट्स कैन नॉट बी एब्सॉर्ब्ड. So now the next question is hydrolytic enzymes which acts in low pH are called. So they are called, this is memory based question, this is called so the enzymes which acts in low pH are called hydrolases. So no need to think upon this question very much. The answer is very, you can say, direct forward. So now the ninth question, Brunner's gland are present in. So they are present in the duodenum. And what is the function of the Brunner's gland? So the secretion of the Brunner glands, they help to prevent the lining of the intestine from the acid from the stomach acid, and secondly their secretion also helps to make the medium alkaline for the pancreatic enzymes to work efficiently. Okay. So now the next question number 10. Which of the following is true regarding the source and nature of enamel? Yes, so enamel, we know it is the hardest part of the human body, and enamel is derived mesodermally. It is mesodermally in origin, and it originates or it is derived from ameloblast cells. So again it is a memory based question, so answer will be C. Sorry. The enzyme enterokinase helps in the conversion of, we know it helps in the conversion of trypsinogen into trypsin. It activates the trypsinogen enzyme, and the trypsin in turn will activate all other inactive enzymes of the pancreatic juice. Okay, so correct option will be B, that is it converts trypsinogen into trypsin. Which one of the following next question, which one of the following pairs of food component is in humans reaches the stomach totally undigested? So reaches the stomach totally undigested. So first option is starch and cellulose. No. Digestion of starch starts from the buccal cavity itself, with the help of enzyme called ptyalin or salivary amylase, and we can't digest cellulose. Second option is protein and starch. Again starch is the one of the part of B option, so it is also not the correct answer. C part is starch and fat. Again starch is digested, and D option is fat and cellulose. Yes, the correct answer will be D option, because digestion of fat starts from stomach, and cellulose is the homopolysaccharide which we can't digest. So correct option will be D. Now 13th question, which is common among amylase, renin and trypsin? So first option is they are produced in stomach. No, trypsin is not produced in the stomach, and amylase and renin are produced, but trypsin is not produced in the stomach. Second option is they all are proteins. Yes, because we know the fact that all the enzymes are protein in nature. So the correct option will be B option. And let's see the third option, the older proteolytic enzymes. Actually all will come in place of older. They all are proteolytic enzymes. No, amylase is not a proteolytic enzyme. So C option will be incorrect. And fourth option is they act at a pH lower than 7. No, trypsin acts in alkaline medium, not in the acidic medium. So correct option will be, obviously it will be B option. Okay. Now the 14th question, activation of pro-carboxypeptidase into carboxypeptide is brought about by. So actually trypsin activates the the trypsin enzyme activates the pro-carboxypeptidase enzyme of the pancreatic juice into active carboxypeptidase. Actually, enterokinase activates the trypsinogen into trypsin, and then trypsin after activation, it activates procarboxypeptidase enzyme into carboxypeptidase. So answer will be B option, trypsin. Now the last question of this session. Gastric juice of infants contains, first option is pepsinogen, lipase and I'm very sorry. First option is pepsinogen, lipase and renin. So renin is present, pepsinogen is present, and gastric lipase is also present. Let's check the second option, amylase, renin and pepsinogen. No, amylase is not present. And C option is maltase, pepsinogen and renin. No, maltase is not present. D option, nuclease, pepsinogen and lipase. No, nuclease is not present. So again, we can solve the question by elimination also if we do not remember the things exactly, but here we remember it correctly, and the answer will be A. So this was all about for today. Today we discussed 15 questions from the digestion and absorption chapter. So if this session was informative for you and helpful for you, then please like this video and kindly subscribe my channel. I will keep on providing you such videos for your further help. Okay, thank you. Till then, take care and study hard. Thank you.